So often in life, it's the simplest things that prove to be the most effective. At first glance, ROX Water almost appears to be too good to be true. Yet this is innovation at its very best. Highly effective, exhaustively researched and proven to work without a doubt. ROX Water from eWater Systems is a chemical-free electrolysed water system that creates a cleaner and safer environment. ROX Water is a brilliantly efficient and effective single-source system for cleaning and sanitising food preparation and contact surfaces. ROX Water is proven to be better for people, better for the environment, better for your bottom line. No wonder its benefits are being embraced by so many of the world's leading organisations. Let's take a look at how it works. You'll be amazed at how simple it really is. The only inputs are water, common salt and electricity. The ROX Water unit contains a cathode and an anode, separated by a membrane to which the three ingredients are added. As the salt is dissolved in the tap water, the negative ions in the saline are attracted to the positive charge in the anode. The positive ions are attracted to the negative charge in the cathode. The result is ROX electrolysed water in two streams, alkaline for cleaning, acidic for sanitising. They are so safe and mild that they can be used for hand washing, but they are tough on bacteria. ROX alkaline cleaning water with a pH of about 11.3 is a natural cleaning agent and detergent. It's a highly effective degreaser that also removes protein and biofilms. ROX acidic sanitising water is a powerful sterilising and disinfecting solution with a pH of around 2.7. It's proven to be as good as, if not better, than traditional chemical sanitisers. ROX Water can greatly benefit a wide variety of industries where food safety and hygiene are critical. This new facility, operated by Austin Health at Heidelberg Hospital in Melbourne, is a central kitchen servicing a number of regional hospitals. Thousands of meals are carefully prepared here every day, and the clean-up at the end of every shift follows the same meticulous attention to detail. Austin Health Central Kitchen commissioned a ROX Water fully integrated cleaning and sanitising system only after conducting the most exhaustive evaluation process. The Austin trials, commencing in June 2007, concluded that ROX Water was shown to perform at least as well, if not better, than traditional chemical cleaning and sanitising methods.
It takes a while for anybody to get used to the idea. On the surface of it, it is so radical, but once somebody has been introduced to it, have tried it for themselves, suddenly they become believers and they start telling us what it can do, which is really very encouraging.
ROX Water was also installed for the opening of Nobu Melbourne, Australia's most prestigious Japanese restaurant, part of the global group established by chef Nobu Matsuhisa and Robert De Niro.
We installed ROX Water just to provide another option as opposed to using chemicals, and something which does offer us a better product and a safer product. For the front of house, we use it at Nobu primarily to sanitise the tables. So as opposed to spraying down every single table surface with a chemical, we get to use the ROX Water. Back of house, they use it in numerous places, not only for the sushi prep, which you can imagine is very important, so for all cleaning surfaces, their chopping boards and so on.
I think the Japanese are attracted to new technology. I think they solve problems laterally in a slightly different way to us, and they had specific issues, certainly to do with fish, but to do with contamination, and they're very much more hygiene focused than they have been for much longer.
It's safer. We don't need to use a sanitizer. If we use tap water, I think it's not enough for killing bacteria. If we use this water, 100% we can kill bacteria and no smell.
Our customers don't deserve to smell chlorine from their sushi or salad. Other sanitizers and cleaners have a lot more chlorine. The workers are really quite happy with how it works and how it helps them to do their job easily.
The Nobu philosophy obviously is one where we place a huge amount of importance on the actual ingredient, the freshness, the simplicity of the dish itself. Using this product, we can be 100% sure that there's no other taint or no other potentially hazardous substance in the dishes we serve.
On a smaller scale, ROX Water is also a critical ingredient at Jamon Sushi in Melbourne's South Yarra. Highly regarded sushi chef Charles Greenfield uses ROX Water to prepare his work surfaces before weaving his nightly magic. Add market-fresh ingredients to the mix and Charles is soon delivering his immaculately presented sushi experience.
Jamon Sushi is one of the few omakase-style restaurants outside Japan. Because we don't cook, we work with fresh. Everything is cooked with a knife, so to speak. eWater is an essential part of our total maintenance program at Jamon Sushi. We use the cleaning and sanitising on all our surfaces. The results we get are total cleanliness, 110%. Otherwise we wouldn't use it. But we installed the eWater system here because of that reason. It's chemical free, it's an electrolytic process, so it's simple. I'd have no hesitation to recommend ROX Water to any serious food industry, and I believe that within the next 10 years it will become a mandatory system in all kitchens throughout the world.
But why is ROX acidic sanitising water so powerful? The answer is in the reaction that creates hypochlorous acid with a very high oxygen reduction potential. ROX acidic sanitising water is created at an ORP of 1100 to 1200 millivolts. Bacteria's survival point is around 650 millivolts. At almost twice the ORP required, ROX acidic sanitising water kills most bacteria and other nasties on contact. Let's take a look at some more benefits of ROX Water. First and foremost, it's proven to be as effective or more effective than chemical sanitisers. And because it's free of chemicals, you've replaced costly consumables. Chemical-free means ROX Water is safer for your people. It's non-hazardous and non-toxic, so no more potential irritations for eyes or skin. And because there's no need to transport, store, handle or mix dangerous chemicals, there's less risk. ROX Water is also safer for the environment because there are no suds or chemicals flushing down the drain. Because both the acidic and alkaline solutions are very dilute, disposal presents no environmental problems. There's less risk of human error because a daily pH test replaces the need to mix and dilute dangerous chemicals. No need to rinse after sanitising can lead to significant water savings. Save time too with one new system on tap, often replacing an existing array of chemicals. Training and use is easy. ROX Water is fast-acting. Less contact time means faster sterilisation, delivering further time and cost savings. There are no residues because there are no chemicals. The process is virtually odourless and will not taint the flavour of food. In fact, ROX Water actually increases the shelf life of fresh produce. It's a safe, effective rinse that kills the bacteria that promotes degeneration. A simple once-daily testing regime is all it takes to ensure that your ROX Water system is delivering both streams, acidic and alkaline, at optimum concentrations.
We just put the strips in the water and match the color and figure out if it's in the acceptable zone or not. It's very simple. You don't have to be a scientist to do that.
And as we design for the future, we don't design for today. All our clients are looking for solutions that are going to last them for the next 10, maybe even 20 years. We need to design for what is going to be effective for them in the future.
ROX Water is the way of the future and available now exclusively through eWater systems.